Constitutional arguments that are being made today, but that would be the route to fixing the problem if the court decides there is a problem before the election next year.
Lawson, thank you so much for explaining that. Lawson Naidu is the KSEC Executive Director joining us to explain the argument and why it's so important happening today in the Constitutional Court. As you heard there earlier, Advocate Stephen Budlander arguing for the Minister of Home Affairs, invoking the very famous Pascon Evans rule. In case you've been mulling it over for the last couple of minutes and you can't remember, when this rise in circumstances where the applicant seeks final relief, there needs to be granted in favour of the applicant only if the facts alleged by the respondent is answering affidavit the facts that he admitted to the explanation. And that's why you need a law degree to be arguing and be an advocate like Stephen Budlander for the Constitutional Court. All of this is important because it comes to the elections, who we can vote for, as Lawson explained there.
On 072 702 1702.
First thing that's funny, don't have money. The 10 billion just disappeared and nobody's questioning the mayor about it. It was during the DA where 10 billion, Auditor General indicated that 10 billion just disappeared. Nobody can account for that. Thereafter, somebody just resigned, left the city. Nothing happened about that. Where is the 10 billion? All right.
Hi Mandy. Mandy, I for one don't buy this whole emotional act of Dr. Nandi from Majutene. She's just playing on our emotions and she's taking advantage of Women's Month and trying to manipulate the court process. Good luck to her, she won't win with those guys. Because she can't tell us that only now that all along when she was going along assisting Thabo Mbeki, she was being coerced into doing those things. Thanks, right.
Right, thanks. Let me play devil's advocate for a moment here and have a look at what Aaron Singh said. And the prosecuting authority presents a case in which she was manipulated by Thabo Mbeki, whether or not she was coerced into doing whatever she was doing, or was she very much one of the main very magistrated, or I think that our presiding officers are not. I'm not sure it's going to have an impact, but then of course there is the meeting today, the ad hoc committee on the public protector deliberating on the public protector to decide on a candidate on who will succeed Siwe Nkubane as the public protector of South Africa. The next public protector.
Yeah, we love one affair. Okay.
This meeting today,
wabona le gore le tsela e a ikwa yakwa ya kena fela bona wa sheba le ntate
Riska karu.
Fedile wa ba.
Oh, go tšwe tshwanetse ba tlose dilo tse fela.
Yeah, fedile.
History e bona ka. Sala ba ba tlo tloga karu. Mo ditrateng tse traffic ka ditabara.
Ba tla tšho ba re a se ba like Daveyton lava. Go tsamaya ga monate wa bona.
Yone monate. Mara batho ba tshogile gore le ba tsholla batho. Ga ba tlhapetse, o isa dilo tsa batho.
Ga di kgone. And di kodimo.
E le mo gaufi ena. Mo re tsogileng ko teng.
Confusitse ntate wa batho. O kena mo le ko hostel.
Sana o sele, o kwa.
Which is why they're rejecting Sadeka. But the ANC members already are adamant that she's the best out of all these candidates.
So what happens if the DA doesn't?
What happens if
they can't agree on one particular candidate? What happens then?
Well, the deliberations are manual.
Dumeletseng Majutene gore ba kwale tsela e mara.
Basically vote on a
Ke why I do
the most adequate name, as we witnessed in the previous, selection of the public protector, Kwebane, all those 7 years ago. So they will, get to a point where they'll have to put
Nkare le Majutene ha isa le shopo e ya ntwena wena.
taken or adopted by the
Ne e hirwa ke Kirimane. Ba bitsa eng batho ba?
Majuda.
Majuda. Gona bane ke Makirimane.
eventually you will ultimately get to the president.
Makula.
You might also not be happy with the
Makula abo ba tshwereng ko sekolo ba rekisa motho.
it does seem to be rushed in the time to have this thing, conducted now in the month of September, when MPs do return and when the National Assembly starts sitting again.
Ba batla batho ba hostel ba tshwereng.
But at the moment, the members are quite different. I mean, they are, on polar opposites on whether the Talega is the best candidate. And it seems that all parties, except the ANC and the IFP, are in support of the candidate.
Thank you, Babalo and Denze, WN reporter, having a look at that ad hoc committee meeting today, deciding on who will be the next public protector.
702. Mandy Wiener.
Gauteng's Portfolio Committee on Community Safety has today been receiving the Gauteng Police Commissioner, Lieutenant General Elias Mawela's presentation of the province's crime stats for the first quarter of the 2023-24 financial year. Remember, we now get 400 crime stat results, and this is Gauteng specific. Alpha Ramashwana, EWN reporter, following that for us. Alpha, good afternoon to you. Thank you for your time. What do the crime stats in Gauteng look like for the first quarter of the 23-24 year?
Good afternoon, Maggie. Yes, the Police Commissioner Elias Mawe presented the first quarter crime stats to the Community Safety Portfolio today, and he's announced that the overall crime rate has increased by 4% as compared to the same period in the last financial year. And he was quite happy to say that Gauteng has recorded the biggest decrease in the murder rate since the peak of the COVID-19 pandemic. And this is despite the increase being a slight 0.1%, moving from about 1,490 murders in the last year to just 1,489 this year. And another improvement from the police's side is that they've reported far less carjackings in the first quarter, in contrast to the same period last year. And this type of crime went down by over 12%. And there was also a decrease of
Unfortunately, we have lost Alpha there. That line just dropping. But he did send us some sound a bit earlier of Lieutenant General Elias Mawela's presentation. Let's have a listen.
The crime crimes overall have decreased because of the double-digit reduction recorded on the carjacking by 12.1%, which translates to 378 counts. Car hijacking, we know it is a serious problem, and for us to reduce it with the 2 digits, it means a lot for us.
That's Lieutenant General Elias Mawela, the Housing Police Commissioner, giving us the statistics for the first quarter of the 23-24 financial year.
702, the Midday Report, Monday to Friday.
12 to 1 p.m. A little bit earlier.